Planning a day of sightseeing in Nottingham, but don't want to carry your luggage everywhere? RadicalStorage offers a quick, convenient solution to store your bags while you explore. In this guide, I'll show you how to deposit your luggage at a storage point in Nottingham using RadicalStorage, a trusted platform offering secure, insured options. RadicalStorage partners with local businesses, such as hotels, shops, and cafes, to ensure your luggage is stored safely while you discover Nottingham. For security, use the official link provided to access the RadicalStorage website and avoid phishing attempts. Once on the site, type Nottingham into the search bar to see a list of available storage points across the city. Choose the one most convenient for you, whether near tourist sites, transportation hubs, or central Nottingham. Select your preferred drop-off and pick-up times and proceed with payment. RadicalStorage provides secure online transactions for your peace of mind. After completing your booking, you'll receive a confirmation with a reference number and directions to the storage point. Once at the location, show your reference number to the staff, and they'll securely store your bags for you. Now you can enjoy Nottingham luggage-free, knowing your belongings are safe. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.